Setting up Deel's global benefits package is easier than you might think, and in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps so you can get it up and running without a hitch. If you're looking to provide your remote employees with the best benefits, Deel makes the process streamlined and efficient. Deel's global benefits package allows you to offer health insurance, retirement plans, and other benefits to your international team, no matter where they're based. It's an essential tool for companies who want to remain compliant while offering top-notch perks to their remote workforce. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Deel account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can sign up for free from the first link below, and I'll also mention an exclusive bonus at the end of this video, so stick around. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Benefits tab. This is where you'll set up all the global benefits options for your team. Deel offers a range of packages depending on where your employees are located. You can choose from a variety of health benefits, life insurance, wellness stipends, and more. Deel takes care of the legalities and compliance for you, ensuring that everything is tailored to the country's regulations your team is located in. Next, you'll need to select which country or countries your employees are based in. This is key because Deel offers country-specific benefit packages. For example, a health insurance plan in the US will look a lot different from one in the UK or Canada. Once you've selected the country, Deel will automatically suggest a benefits package that complies with local laws and provides the necessary coverage. It's all done for you. Now, you can either select an existing package or customize one based on your needs. If you choose to customize, Deel lets you add or remove benefits, so you can create a package that fits your company's budget and your employees' needs. Keep in mind that the more benefits you offer, the more attractive your package will be to potential hires, so try to include a few perks to really stand out. Once your package is ready, you can assign it to the relevant team members. Deel allows you to set up benefits at the employee level, so each employee can get exactly what they need. You can also make adjustments at any time if their situation changes, such as adding dependents or changing coverage levels. Deel makes it simple to track who has access to which benefits and ensures everything stays compliant. As a manager or business owner, you get full visibility into what's being offered and can make adjustments quickly without having to navigate complex systems. And the best part? You can do all of this for free. You'll get full access to Deel software and its global benefits package without having to pay anything upfront. All you need to do is sign up through the link in the description below. Before we wrap up, don't forget that Deel is offering an exclusive extended free trial for viewers of this video. This means you'll get extra time to explore the platform and make sure it's the perfect fit for your team. So, to summarize, setting up Deel's global benefits package is simple. Just log in, choose your country, pick a package or customize your own, assign benefits to your team, and you're good to go. If you need more information or want to see Deel in action, make sure to check out the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.